Hello friends! So we went to the discount bin with this arts and craft project. It's going to be super cheap. You only need three things. First of all, you got your hot glue gun. Second, I got this Easter bin. It was like 2 for $1 at Dollar Tree or 2 for $1.25. And then I found this yarn, which I've been dying to get, like that thicker yarn, but it's like always like 20 bucks. This was $3, clearance bin, Hobby Lobby. So we're gonna make like a $4 craft. Like literally, I think this cost me like a whole $4 today. So make sure before we get started that you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel, and of course hit that notification bell button so we can do this in the future. Okay, so this is so super freaking easy. You're gonna love it. First thing I did is I tied off the end of this yarn because it was not secure. As you can see, it's kind of coming a little loose there. So I just took my little twisty tie and tied up the end so that it wouldn't come loose on us as we work. So there you go. Looks real nice. And we're ready to get started. Don't you love that color? It's like this beautiful bronze, and I absolutely had to have it. I thought it was so pretty. Can't believe they just left it on the clearance rack, but I was happy I could get it. So all we're gonna do is take our wonderful hot glue gun here and hot glue our yarn to the side. And yeah, see, you'll see what we're doing. Super easy. And just make sure that where your little twisty tie is, that it's kind of, you don't glue that, you know, it's hanging off the side. And if you don't have a twist tie or something like that, just make sure you have extra fabric hanging off the side just to kind of make room for error, and so that you can tighten that up and close that off real easy. And all we're gonna do is like really work our way up our plastic bin here, and it is super simple. So like the look I was going for was kind of like a wicker basket type look, which I think I really got with that, with the, you know, the pretty like bronze color we have here, and also just the style of the fabric. It's really given wicker, and this is like an acrylic yarn, nothing too special, but I just thought it was so pretty and just like the most appropriate color to look like a faux basket. And the nice thing is, rather than having a basket, like this thing is like easy storable, it's super lightweight, so it gives you the look without, you know, maybe taking up the space or being as heavy as an actual little wicker basket. So as you can see, all you do is just glue your way all the way up your bin. Now this bin is like a little bit smaller. Like I said, it's like 2 for $1.25 at Dollar Tree for the Easter holiday. I picked up a whole bunch. It's a little bit bigger than the bin that you see in the background there that says Gucci. If you guys are interested in either one of those styles, I have videos on both of those, the Gucci and our little dolls in the back. So feel free again to subscribe to the channel and check out some of my other arts and craft projects. Okay, so we are just coming to the top of our little faux basket here, and what I'm going to do is just glue the very end. There you go, where I kind of want it to stop. I'm going to glue right there, and once that's dry and secure, I'm just going to go snip snip boop and just take that off. As you see, I have the both ends and they actually turned out really great. I don't know, it just cleaned up really nicely. It ended on both sides, or excuse me, the same side, so that's awesome. So what I end up doing is closing off the end. I didn't film that part, but it's super simple. I'm just going to show you guys how I closed off the top of the basket, and all I did is make sure that my yarn was like in a super tight I don't know what you would call that, ball string line super tight line, glued it down like so, and just held it down. That's how it looks. And then for the very end, I just glued that inside of our little faux basket here and let it dry. And this is how it looks. Make sure you remove any of your little glue strings because they do tend to hang around. And as you can see, very basket life. You cannot see the Easter logo on there, and you cannot tell that it's plastic. And I just put like some additional yarn in here because I just thought it would be perfect little storage area for like our crafts. All right, or crafts material, I should say. Anyway, I hope you guys liked this video. I thought it was super cute, fun, and again, only $4. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.